Okay, so the windshield washer keep draining because of the leaks. Okay, these are the washer that keep leaking. So we need to remove this so we can access from behind the grill. So we need to take all of these out to slide it back. So these are the one that is going to hold it in place. Okay, so now we can see. So what we need to do is to remove this, and we can slide it out. So these is kind of like a plastic C-clamps. So that is the water tube. So there's two tabs. One on this side to lock it in place. And there's another one over here. So you have to undo both to pull this guy out. Okay, to pull this guy out. There's one here. And there's one over here. And then when you remove the hose in the back, and you can pull it straight out. This is the other latch. Okay, so this one is the Teflon thread. So this one, find the one that is the thinnest one, like this. And what you do is you cut about 2 inches of this. So what you do is you pull this one out, and then you wrap around this completely until the 2 inches are gone, and then it will push itself automatically in, and the water will not come out ever again.